Alrighty guys, in today's video with TruCUT RDWorks, we're going to be looking at your design setup for the laser cut process. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini-series on the laser cut process. And I will also leave relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. Now, when it comes to the design setup, or design cut setup, this will be setting up the actual colors and how they will react towards the laser cutter. Or rather, how the laser cutter will interpret them. So now, like we mentioned in the previous video, all the red over here at the moment will be TruCUTs. So if this is a board we're cutting, then it will cut out first the head shape, the individual eyes, and then the mouth. And then all the black lines over here will be engraving. So it will be a shallow cut just to show it's a kind of a variation in there. Now what we want to do is on our right panel here, our control panel, we want to go to our colors. Now, if we double click the color over here, we also have the options at the bottom that we can set, which we're going to be using. But you can also double click the colors and then it will give you options that you can set here. So we've got all the minimum and maximum powers and so forth. Now, on the top here, also you'll realize there's a parameter library or So what this will do is, let's say the technician has already set up your cutter for different materials, so MDF, maybe Perspex and so forth, then these values will be set right. So you can just go parameter library and select the right ones here. You can obviously also set it up yourself, but yeah, it is convenient when this is already set up. So then you'll go there and just select the right ones for the right colors. But now when it comes to actual cutting, so if for engraving, basically what you want a low power. So the laser is a low power with a high speed, so it moves quick. So that way, chance of it cutting through is very small. Then when it comes to cut throughs, we'll do the reverse again. So we'll go a high power and a lower speed. Now, obviously these values will vary depending on the material you're using, so you're going to definitely have to do some testing and refining. You could try Google some of this. Maybe there's some preset ones for your machine that works well. But now under these settings here, we've got the like I said, the black and the red. And then what we can do is we will set, like I said, the black will be for the engraving, the red for cutting, and then we can also save this so that in future we don't have to reset it. We can simply just locate it. So that is the basic concept of what we're going to be doing now. And for that, we'll be covering it in another video, the actual values that will work for maybe something like MDF. Otherwise, we head here to softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the videos you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, and we'll make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.